Hello, I have with me Mr. Umesh Asawa.
Hello.
He's the CEO of AP Mahesh Cooperative Bank based in Hyderabad. Welcome.
Nice
Umesh.
meeting.
So Umesh, one of the interesting things that's revolutionized the country is this Aadhaar movement. Okay, it started off with a lot of people wondering whether it would actually happen, and it happened actually, which was good. Half the things in this country don't happen. And then it has actually become popular for various kinds of fund transfer, for account opening, and used as a general government ID card for all kinds of government services. What has been your bank's strategy to leverage Aadhaar? Because everyone is doing technology, everyone is doing modernization, expansion, but Aadhaar is a unique opportunity for even a small organization to reach the entire country. What is your bank doing in this area?
Aadhaar has become a unique identification number. For any transaction anywhere now, Aadhaar is must. Even for opening any bank account, we need KYC document
Yes.
based on Aadhaar. Photo identity, address proof. And Aadhaar is being accepted as a KYC document.
Yes.
To enable our customer to open hassle-free accounts, we have taken approval from UIDAI to become a eKYC Aadhaar member.
Okay. Okay.
So with this facility, while opening the account, like we have business facilitator and business correspondence facility also through Tab Banking.
Okay.
So whenever our BCBF agent visit customers for opening account, they don't have any documents.
Yes.
So without document, if we ask them to customer to get the document and all, it get postponed.
Yes.
So automatically our tabs are all Aadhaar enabled. Immediately whenever customer wants to open an account, simply they have to put their finger on the our tab banking.
Okay.
Immediately it is directly connected to UIDAI and their eKYC documents are downloaded in the system. So customer did not submit any documents and all, automatically photo and address identity proof is downloaded and customer account is being activated.
Okay.
And for any funds transfer, anything, even Aadhaar enable all the services are also being activated in this portal. Like if customer has forgotten his Aadhaar number, through his finger identification we can locate Aadhaar number. Customer can change his address and then printout of Aadhaar also it can be given by the bank. One thing is that we are able to open more account and also we are earning nominal fee also. We charge customer nominal fee for giving all this facility.
So how many accounts have you opened this way since you started, and what do you plan to achieve in the next, let's say, 1 year?
See, these services we started just recently 3 months before.
Okay.
And now the response footfalls are very encouraging. Very encouraging, and now our normal opening of account is roughly 400 to 500 per month.
Okay.
But what we expect that definitely it will increase twofold, threefold in the coming 6 months. And along with this, we have also added one more feature in this Aadhaar. For this Aadhaar eKYC, we have tied up with Aadhaarshila.com.
Okay.
Aadhaarshila.com is a payment gateway services provider. And they offer all the utility bill payment services also.
Okay.
So if a customer or non-customer wish to utilize any utility bill payment services like electricity, water, insurance, hotel booking, travel, rail booking, they can come to our branch. If he is a customer, he can do the transaction through his account. If he is a non-customer, simply by paying cash on the counter, his transaction will be done, and by which we are attracting new customers to our bank. Footfall is increasing.
Okay. So how do you try to cross-sell to these customers?
One more advantage of this thing, thus, if he is not a customer of the bank, and even if he is a customer of the bank, we get their data, and we are counter officers are trained about the different product of the bank.
Okay.
By which they are able to cross-sell insurance as well as mutual fund.
Okay.
We have tie-up for life insurance as well as mutual fund.
Okay.
Both things we are able to cross-sell to these customers.
Okay. So give us an idea how many customers you have as of now overall, and what is your target 12 months, 24 months down
we
the road?
have roughly around 3 lakhs customer, 3 lakhs plus customer is on date. and we are planning to add roughly minimum this in this coming year.
This financial
Our
year.
target is around to make it 4 lakhs.
Okay, that's good. So all this talk about cooperative banks having problems is not necessarily there for the well-managed, good cooperative banks. You're growing, you're strong and growing fast, right?
Yes.
That's wonderful, wonderful. Great.
We are strong, growing fast, and even RBI also permitting us to open more branches. We got license to open 8 more branches.
8 more branches, wonderful. So apart from Aadhaar, is there any other initiative that is core of the bank? Mobile or
We have all the facilities,
Cloud.
mobile, e-commerce, RuPay debit card.
All
core
that is
banking.
already been done.
Already been done.
Okay.
It is now past.
Okay.
We have all the product and services at par with the private commercial bank.
Okay. Wonderful. That's nice to hear. This
Nice.
bank also
Thank
going
you.
ahead. All the best for your new initiatives and
Nice
future
meeting.
plans.
Thank you. Thank you.